Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and here we are today at apartment number 6 located within Tankerton Heights, which is right on Tankerton seafront. Now this apartment really is both generous and elegant. It's a really nice arrangement of space, and we'll start the viewing in this bedroom here at the end. Now this bedroom here has the ensuite bathroom that we'll go and take a look at in a moment, but it's really nice and light and bright and airy, and that's to say for the entirety of the property. The ensuite here is a really good size. You've got the shower, the toilet and the sink unit there as well, but again, to start with this bedroom, it is really lovely. Here we are in the main bathroom that's offered with the property, and again it's a really good size. You'll get that sense from every room within this property. It's all a fantastic size. Coming through here to bedroom number 2, plenty of space for the double bed there. You've got the fitted wardrobes there as well, and again a really nice open window there. We'll come back through the main entrance hall and into the lounge that's on offer with this property. Now, this gives me a good chance to go through some of the finer points of this property. This lounge and dining space measures approximately 23 foot in length and of course is dual aspect with those wonderful windows there. Now you've got a really nice south facing communal garden with this development of apartments as well, and you've got the huge bonus of having allocated parking spaces. You've actually got a nice driveway space with this property, which is a huge bonus considering the location and how popular this area really is with all sorts. It's popular with holiday makers, it's popular with local residents, it's popular with everyone. It's a really nice location to settle in. Now the kitchen here is fantastic. It's got a nice clean and sleek style to it. You've got plenty of fitted appliances here, and you've got those 2 lovely windows looking out onto the seafront. It really is a wonderful, elegant, clean apartment. It's a wonderful opportunity and is certainly worth thinking further about.